Silicone and cement may look like two materials that never belong together, but what happens when they meet can surprise you. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to take a close look at a simple idea that has been shared quietly in workshops for years. Instead of buying expensive waterproof products, we test a mix that uses materials many people already have. This is not theory. This is hands-on, practical work you can try and judge for yourself. To begin, squeeze silicone A200 into a clean cup. Do not rush this part. Let the silicone flow slowly so the amount stays easy to control. This cup will be the base for the first mixture. After that, prepare a simple suction bottle. Take an empty Coca-Cola bottle and drill one hole straight through the center of the cap. Push a plastic straw firmly into the hole. Adjust it until it sits tight. Then seal the joint completely with hot glue. Make sure no air gaps remain. This seal matters because even a small leak will ruin the suction later. Once the glue cools and hardens, use the bottle to draw gasoline from a motorcycle fuel tank. Insert the straw into the tank opening, squeeze the bottle gently, then release. Gasoline flows in smoothly without spilling. Pour the gasoline carefully into the cup of silicone. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep the cup away from any flame or spark. If you have ever repaired something instead of replacing it, drop your method in the comments and explain what worked. Now it is time to mix. Build a simple mixing tool using a wooden stick and 3 plastic zip ties. Attach the zip ties evenly around the end of the stick so they form flexible paddles. Clamp the stick into a drill chuck. Lower the tool into the silicone and gasoline mixture. Then start the drill at low speed. Let the mixture blend slowly. You will see the silicone loosen and turn smoother as the gasoline works into it. Keep the speed steady until the texture looks even. Next, add cement into the mixture. Sprinkle it in gradually instead of dumping it all at once. The mixture thickens and takes on a heavy, paste-like consistency. This balance is important. Too thin and it runs. Too thick and it becomes hard to spread. With the mixture ready, move to the cracked concrete floor. Use a steel brush to scrub the crack thoroughly. Remove loose debris, dust, and weak material. Clean edges allow the repair to grip properly. Once the surface looks solid, spread the mixture directly into the crack. Push it deep using a flat tool or brush. Then level the surface so it sits flush with the surrounding concrete. Leave it alone and let it begin curing. Work slowly and stay patient through this part. Spread the mixture evenly along the entire crack, starting from one end and moving steadily to the other. Use the tool to press the material deep into the gap so nothing is left hollow underneath. Pay attention to the edges and corners. because missed spots often become the first place where water returns. Once the crack is fully filled, take a flat edge and draw it across the surface with light, controlled pressure. Smooth the repair until it sits level with the surrounding concrete. Keep the motion steady and clean so the finish looks natural and well blended. A flat, even surface not only looks better, but also helps the repair last longer. When the surface feels uniform and clean, stop and let it cure without touching it. While that repair sets, prepare a second test mixture, squeeze silicone into another clean cup. Add gasoline and stir until smooth, without cement this time. This version focuses on waterproofing rather than filling cracks. Take a roof tile and brush the mixture onto one half of the surface. Spread it evenly and keep the layer thin. Leave the other half untreated. Do the same on a wooden board, coating only one side. Then take 2 sheets of paper and brush the mixture onto one sheet, leaving the other sheet dry. These side-by-side tests make the results easy to see. Now move outside and test on a car tire. Brush the mixture onto one half of the tire's surface. Let it sit briefly. Then spray water across the tire. Water beads and runs off the coated side, while the untreated side darkens as it absorbs moisture. The difference appears immediately. Return to the concrete floor. The repaired crack has dried. Pour water directly over it. The patched area stays dry and solid, while water spreads across the surrounding surface. The repair blends cleanly and shows no sign of absorption. Move back to the roof tile. Spray water evenly across it. The coated half repels water, keeping its color unchanged. The untreated half darkens and absorbs moisture. The contrast is clear and consistent. Repeat the same test on the wooden board. Water rolls off the treated side, leaving the surface dry. The untreated side soaks up water quickly, showing darker patches where moisture enters the grain. Finally, Test the paper sheets. Spray water directly onto both. The untreated sheet softens, breaks down, and tears easily. The coated sheet resists water, stays firm, and bends without tearing. Pulling on it shows strength that plain paper cannot hold once wet. Each test shows the same pattern. The silicone-based mixture blocks water effectively. When cement is added, it also fills and reinforces cracks. If this experiment gave you useful ideas, tap the like button so others can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY tests you can apply at home, and leave a comment telling what material mix you want to see tested next.